In a field there lived an ant and a grasshopper. It was a hot summer. Ants will work hard all day, from dawn to dusk, to collect grain. Ants would put the wheat grains in the barn and rush back to the field to gather other grains. Meanwhile, a grasshopper just spends all his time singing and dancing. He often invites the ants to sing and dance together. However, the ants ignored the grasshopper and continued their work. This makes the grasshopper taunt the ants by saying that they have enough food to survive the summer. The ant said that he was storing food for the winter and advised the grasshopper to do the same. The grasshopper ignored the ants and continued singing and dancing. Soon winter arrived. It was getting very cold outside, and the nights were long and dark. The grasshopper felt hungry and cold, with no place to shelter from the snow outside. The grasshopper remembered the ants. He went to the ant place and asked for help. The ant opens the door for the grasshopper. The grasshopper asks the ant for help to provide shelter from the falling snow and the very cold outside. And in return, the grasshopper will sing song and dance. The ant invited the grasshopper to enter the ant house and was served food that was still warm. They end up singing and dancing together. The grasshopper was very grateful to the ant for the ant good deed. They are always with the grasshopper and work hard to help find food for the ant. One day, the grasshopper expressed his love for the ant, and the ant accepted the grasshopper. After finding true love, the grasshopper turned into a dancing ant. It turns out that grasshoppers are stout ants who were cursed by the queen ant because he was always lazy in collecting food supplies during winter, and as a result, the ant lacked food supplies. After being cursed by the queen to become a grasshopper, he was shunned by his friend and one looked for a way to make the curse disappear. It turns out that to get rid of the curse, the grasshopper must be diligent in doing something and find his true love. In the end, they are happy and do their work diligently without being lazy, because being lazy in doing work will hinder the completion of the work and can be detrimental to yourself and others.